Welcome to Terminologies in Forex Trading, Class 3. In our last class, we made a list of Forex terminologies, and we left off at number 30, hedging. How has your snacky bite been so far? Leave us a review on our Pro Membership support handle, specially created for you, so we know how you are doing so far. Here's a quick run-through from our last class. Class recap. 13, mini lot. 14, nano lot. 15, leverage. 16, margin. 17, margin call. 18, risk management. 19, stop loss or SL. 20, take profit or TP. 21, profit or gain. 22, loss. 23, unrealized profit or loss. 24, booked profit or loss. 25, broker. 26, ECN broker. 27, ECB, European Central Bank. 28. EA stands for Expert Advisor, also referred to as a Forex robot. 29. Floating leverage. 30. Hedging. Class recap done. Let's head back to having our snacky bite for today. Forex terminologies for today. 31. Jobber, a slang word for a trader who is aimed towards fast but small and short-term profit from intraday trading. Jobber rarely leaves open positions overnight. 32. Martingale, a position sizing strategy that involves doubling the bet after each loss. 33. Open position or taking a trade. A position on buying, long, or selling, short of a currency pair. 34. Order. An order for a broker to buy or sell a currency at a certain rate. 35. Pivot point, a primary support or resistance point calculated based on the previous trend's high, low, and close rates. 36. Momentum, a measure of the currency's ability to move in a given direction. 37. RSI, Relative Strength Index, a technical indicator that measures the power of a directional price movement by comparing the bullish and bearish portions of the trend. 38. Scalping, a style of trading notable by a big number of positions that are open for extremely small and short-term profits. 39. Slippage, execution of an order at a rate different from expected ordered. The main reasons for slippage are fast market, low liquidity, and poor execution quality by broker. 40. Stop limit order, an order to sell or buy a lot at a certain rate or worse after it first reaches some opposite price level. It is a combination of a stop order and a limit order. 41. STP, which stands for straight-through processing, a type of order processing that does not require any manual intervention and is fully automatic. In fact, 90% of all online Forex brokers support order handling with STP. 42. Support, a price level where a downtrend stalls. Its breach can lead to a significant price decline. 43. Trailing stop loss, a stop loss level that is moved closer to the current market rate as the position's loss decreases or its profit increases. 44. Trend, a market's direction established under an influence of various factors. 45. Volatility, a statistical measure of the number of price changes for a given currency pair in a given period of time. 46. Resistance, a price level where an uptrend stalls. Its breach can lead to a significant price rally. 47. Bulls and bears. The name comes from an analogy. A bull pushes its horns up in the air, just like a bull trader pushes the prices up by buying quickly. The bears move their paws down, and the bear trader wants to lower prices. Congratulations, you've made it this far, well done. We have come to the end of the basic Forex terminologies you would encounter within the Forex community. These terminologies covers more than just the basic. It is a good start for any beginner. With this, you would hardly get lost when other traders speak or when you are staring at your chart. Now, you would be able to catch up easily. We would be taking our classes with precision and care, so you do not get overwhelmed through the study. See you in our next session.